So today we are going to start parallel lines and a transversal. So first we'll understand what is parallel lines, right? So just take two lines. This is one line and this is another line. If they will not intersect to each other, then this is called a parallel lines. And if a line intersect these two lines, then this is called transversal line. So here suppose this line name is M and this line is N, right? So here and this line is L, right? So if this angle we'll consider as angle 1, this angle as angle 2, this angle is angle 3, and this angle as angle 4, this angle 5, this angle 6, and this is angle 7, and this is angle 8. Now if M parallel to N, then what things we get? Then we get number 1, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So here what type of angles will be corresponding angles? Suppose if we take angle 1, its corresponding angle will be angle 5. That means angle 1 should be equals to angle 5, right? If we consider angle 2, its corresponding angles will be angle 6, right? Then angle 3 if we consider, then its corresponding angle will be angle 7. And if we consider angle 4, then its corresponding angle will be angle 8. All will be equal if two lines are parallel to each other, right? Understood? Okay, this is first property. Then second property, alternate interior angles will be equal. Alternate interior angles are equal, right? Achha, now what type of angles are alternate interior angles? Interior means inside, or alternate means one angle will be in left side, then other will be in right side. So here angle 4 if we consider, its alternate interior angles will be angle 6. Okay, understood? Angle 4, its alternate interior angles will be angle 6, right? And angle 3, its alternate interior angles will be angle 5. Okay, Aksara, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And third property, Co-interior angles are supplementary. That means sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Now, co-interior angles means interior means inside. Co-interior means okay, same side of transversal. We are getting angle 3 and angle 6. This sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. If we will consider angle 4, then angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 5 will be co-interior angles. Its sum is 180 degree. So these three property will be fulfilled for parallel lines. And if you want to prove these two lines are parallel or not, if you want to check that out of these three, if any one will be satisfied, then we can say two lines are parallel. This is first concept. So here you can write this is A, and concept B. Out of these three, if any corresponding angles are equal, any corresponding angles are equal, then we can write M parallel to N. Okay, or if any alternate interior angles are equal, then also we can write M parallel to N. Or if sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree, if sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree, then also we can write M parallel to N. Right. So if M parallel to N, then these three property we can write. And second concept, out of these three property, anyone will satisfy, then we can write two lines are parallel. So if two lines are given and third line intersect both the line, then third line is called transversal line. If M parallel to N, then corresponding angles will be equal, alternate interior angles will be equal, sum of co-interior angles will be 180 degree. And if it is not given M parallel to N, so if any corresponding angles are equal, then we can prove two lines are parallel. Or any alternate interior angles are equal, then also we can write M parallel to N. Or if the sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree, then we can say two lines are parallel. Understood? Now we'll start exercise. Okay. So exercise 6.2. Okay. Now see the first question. Answer. So here question is, in figure 6.28, find the value of x and y and then show that AB parallel to CD. So first draw this figure. Here two lines are given and one transversal also given. So give its name A, B, C, D. This angle is X and this angle is 50 degree. This angle is 130 degree and this angle is Y. So what is given? Since figure is given, so you can write figure. Now to find we have to find X and Y. To prove, what we have to prove? AB parallel to CD. Now solution. First find X and Y. So tell Aksara how we can find the value of X. 6.1 already you did. These two angles are what type of angles? Can you remember? Linear pair. These two angles are linear pair. Aksara, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are doing first question. Okay, once I give the question. In figure 6.28, find the value of X and Y and then show that AB parallel to CD. That means here you have to find also and you have to show also. So what is given here? Figure is given. What you have to find? You have to find X and Y. What you have to prove? AB parallel to CD. Now my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me 50 and X, what type of angle it is? Linear pair. So we know that sum of linear pair is always how much? Sum of linear pair how much?
80. 180, 180.
180 degree. In bracket you will write linear pair axiom. After that we can solve the value of X. 180 degree minus 50 degree. So how much? 130 degree. Now Y and 130, they are what type of angles? Vertically opposite angle. These two are the vertically opposite angle. So Y equals to 130 we can write because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Right? So X we got, Y we got. Now since X equals to Y, and their which are alternate interior angles. So therefore, if alternate interior angles are equal, then we can write AB parallel to CD. Okay, now understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will reply, then I can understand you are there or not. Okay. Now we'll discuss question number 2. So take a screenshot quickly. Now second question I'll discuss in figure 6.29. If AB parallel to CD, parallel to EF, that means all three lines are parallel. Okay, and Y is to Z equals to 3 is to 7, find X. So now I'm doing second question. Now answer answer 2. So draw the figure. This is one line. And this is another parallel line. One more. Line parallel to it. And here one transversal line. Give its name A, B, C, D, E, F. And this angle is X. This angle is Y. And this angle is Z. Okay. So this angle, okay, we have to consider. So its name I'm giving angle 1. So here also given, what is given? Here AB parallel to CD parallel to EF. And second thing is given Y is to Z equals to 3 is to 7. Okay, this is given. Now, to find we have to find the value of X. Okay, Aksara, understood the question? Okay. So what I was explaining, just check. So I was explaining question number 2. So this figure is given AB parallel to CD parallel to EF and Y is to Z equals to 3 is to 7. We have to find X. Now solution. Okay. Here angle Y and angle 1 both will be equal. Why? Angle 1 plus angle 1 equals to Y because they are vertically
Opposite angles.
opposite angles. Now, again, angle 1 plus Z will be how much? 180 degree, because co-interior angles, and we know that sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. It means y plus z equals to 180 degree. Again, y is to z, this is equation 1. Keep it. Now, y is to z is given 3 is to 7. Let y equals to 3k and z equals to 7k, because a ratio are given 3 is to 7. So we can consider y as 3k and z as 7k. Now equation 1 implies, just put the value of y, 3k plus 7k equals to 180 degree. So 10k we are getting 180 degree. So k equals to 180 by 10. How much? 18 degree. So therefore z equals to, we need only z equals to 7 into 18. Multiply this two, 126 degree. Now x equals to z. Why? Corresponding angles. So we can write x equals to 126 degree. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So take its screenshot. Then I am explaining question number 3.
Yes, sir.
Now, answer 3. In figure 6.30, if AB parallel to CD, EF perpendicular to CD, and angle GED equals to 126 degree, find AG, GEF and FGE. Three things we have to find. So, draw this figure. These two are the parallel lines. This is perpendicular lines, and G another line, right? So here give name. This is A and this is B, and this is C, this is D, this is E, F, and this one is G. and this is 90 degree perpendicular. So have you drawn this?
Yes, sir.
Now write given. So here given is AB parallel to CD and EF perpendicular to CD. And one more thing is given angle GD. Angle GED. That means whole angle. This whole angle is 126 degree. (126 degree). Now to find. So we have to find angle AGE, then angle GEF and angle FGE. Now its solution. Tell me, if this angle we know, then first which angle will get? GEF will get. GEF. Okay, and AGE how will get? No, first AGE find. Angle AGE equals to angle GED. Why these two angles are equal? Because they are alternate interior angles. It means angle AGE we are getting 126 degree. First angle we got. Now we have to find GEF. Angle GEF plus angle FED. Sum of these two angles will be how much? 126. It is given. Angle GEF and this angle is 90 degree, 126 degree. So angle GEF we are getting 126 degree minus 90 degree. So angle GEF, if you will subtract this, then how much you will get?
36.
36. Check answer.
Okay, sir.
Is it 36 or not? Now FGE plus angle AGE equals to how much? 180 degree, because linear pair axiom.
Sir, it is correct.
Okay. FGE, AGE we are getting how much? 126 equals to 180 degree. angle FGE equals to 180 minus 126 degree. If you'll subtract these two angles, what you will get? 54 degree.
4 degree.
Right? So this
Yes.
is the answer of question number 3. So take a screenshot, and last one more question I am doing, that is question number 4.
Yes, sir. Done.
And two questions you will try, question number 4 and question number 5 and question number 6.
Okay.
Now answer 4. Now see here, draw this figure, given figure. So figure is like that. Give its name P. This is Q. This is R. This is S, and this is T. This angle is 110 degree. This angle is 130 degree. Okay, here one construction is required. Produce it. Produce PQ. Okay, this will intersect at point. Suppose this is A, and this is here one point, that is B. Now given is PQ parallel to ST, and angle PQR 110, angle RST 130 degree. Now to find angle QRS. Here one construction we did. Produce PQ to be intersecting SR at point A. Produce PQ to be to intersect SR at A. Now it's proof. Not proof. We have to solve the value of find the value of QRS. That means this angle we have to find. Understood? So how we can find this value? Now, if this angle is given, then this angle we can find by linear pair axiom. So here write it is angle 1, and this write angle 2. So this right angle 2. Okay. So now angle 1 plus 110 degree, how much? 180 degree linear paired axiom. So we can write angle 1 equals to 180 minus 110. So angle 1 equals to how much? 70 degree. Okay. Aksara, understood?
Yes, sir.
Acha, angle 2 how much? If this is this parallel to this, so we can mention this is angle 3. Okay, this angle we can consider as angle 3. So angle 3 plus 130 equals to, we can write 180 degree because they are co-interior angles. So angle 3, 180 minus 130. So angle 3 will be 50 degree. So if angle 3 50 degree, angle 2 also will be 50 degree. After that we can use angle sum property. Angle QRS plus angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. Angle QRS, angle 1 is 70 degree or plus 50 degree equals to 180 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Angle QRS 70 plus 50, 120 degree equals to 180 degree. So angle QRS will be 180 minus 120 degree, so it is 60 degree. Check answer.
Yes, sir. It is
So
correct.
here I am closing this video. Question number 5 and question number 6 you will do as homework.